Hey guys, and welcome back to more live fire grilling with Lumber Capital Log Yard. Happy Labor Day! We're going to be celebrating today by grilling us up some amazing food. Not that we need any excuse to grill, but hey, it's a great way to celebrate. It's the American way to celebrate, am I right? So we're actually going to be sharing one of our favorite recipes for jalapeno poppers. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned and let's get into it.
Okay, today we're going to grill some jalapeno poppers. Took some good fresh jalapenos, cored them out. I couldn't find my corn tool, so I ended up using a potato peeler. Works pretty good. It reaches in there and you want to core them out. Then I took some venison hamburger and made sausage out of it. I stuffed that, and then while that was hot, I put cream cheese in it, mixed it all up, stuffed them with that, and then I topped them off with some cheese there. And we'll put them on there, put the cover on them, and let them get hot. And they are tasty. Now I know if you've never made these, you want to wear rubber gloves while you're pouring those out, because if you rub your eye or anything, how can I say this, anything that never sees the sun, you are not going to like it. So wear rubber gloves, get them cored out, get them stuffed, and then put them on there. Now a lot of times I like to take a piece of thin bacon and wrap around the top of it, put a toothpick in there to hold it. And but they're good. You never know how hot they're going to be. Some are pretty mild. These have been pretty decent. I like them hot, some don't, but you can wash the seeds out if you want to, shake them out. If you don't shake them out, the wimps won't be able to eat them. So no, they'll take a little while here. As soon as they get blistered up and get good and hot and the cheese is melted, they'll be ready to eat. Pretty good snack.
Jalapeno poppers are a guest favorite. So here's a little tip. Make sure to take one off the plate for yourself first before you put them out for everyone to have, because before you know it, they'll be gone and you'll be left wondering, wow, what they even taste like. I mean, I guess they were good, but you're kind of left wondering. So don't let that happen to you. Use my tip and you will have great success. Anyhow, the recipe is down in the description. Just use it loosely, play around with it. It's a great way to get rid of leftovers. Just add a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and before you know it, you'll know exactly what works and what doesn't. And yeah, you can really play around with this recipe, but if you don't know where to start, this will give you at least a baseline. So let's get back to the grilling part.
Okay, we're going to check these poppers. They're getting close. The cheese is melting. I like to cook them till they blister and even black them a little bit. If you want to get them roasted on the outside a little bit, but you want them soft enough you can stick a knife in. Let's see if there's anything here I can poke them with. I don't have anything. It's okay, they'll get done. And they'll be good eating anyway. So now if you black them a little bit, get them tender, and you gotta let them cool, because you don't want to pop one of those things in your mouth right off the grill, because you're gonna be looking for some place to get rid of it, because they're hot. But I mean, heat hot, not spicy hot. Okay, here's the meat, hot dog. Salt and pepper for them. Okay, I'm gonna set them over here. Get that fire kicked up a little bit. Ready to put some burgers on? Let's put these on and well, these are big old fat ones. That's going to be good. Are you my assistant? Dang, you're a pretty assistant. Are you my little girl? You're not gonna like these, so I get to eat them all.
Beer for that. Woo. Ooh, these look so good. Oh boy. Grandpa, do you think I can handle how spicy these are going to be? I've heard that they were very hot. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah, that's spicy. Oh my goodness. Those are a little bit spicier than I've had before. Oh. They taste so good though. Oh. I don't know if I can do another one. My mouth is watering.
Okay, burgers are ready. Poppers are ready. We're going to take these over and eat them. So let's go to the table. Okay, we're ready. Gather around, folks. Let's eat.
That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.